know you haven't heard from us in a while. We still have been camping, but nothing noteworthy. We're going to Algonquin, which is about 3 hours away from Toronto for Canada Day, and we're just heading there now. Had to stop for some gas. Garrity, say hi to the people. Stands somewhere in the back, and we're heading out. We're just at an en route. Fueling up on some Starbucks and ready to go. So we made it to the campsite 4.5 hours later and right before a huge storm. So we actually just finished setting up and then this storm rolls in. And so now Garrity is cooking a barbecue outside on the floor because we couldn't get the bench in. So I'll show you quickly what that looks like. What you making over there? Steak kebabs, but on the floor, and then the dog is just laying there. But as you see, our campsite is all puddle. But we'll show you in the morning. Basically, we're staying at Mew Lake, and it'll be really great. And hopefully we get on the water and the rain stops, and it'll be a great day. So cheers to the long weekend. Won't let us sleep. Right? Right. So we are staying at Algonquin National Park, which is a 56-kilometer strip along Highway 60 highway. We're staying at Mew Lake, which is great. So we're about to do our first hike. It's a small one called Two Rivers, only because Stan can't walk as far anymore. So let's...
Because of his mobility, his old age.
Hopefully no bear gets us. So this is the Two Rivers Trail. It's only 2.1 kilometers and it loops. There's a nice lookout bluff. Hi buddy, did you find a nice spot? Yeah. Haven't shown you our campsite yet because we were out doing things like trails and stuff. There's so many mosquitoes. I haven't been recording, but you can see Garrity in the back. We finally have a fire to try to keep the mosquitoes away. Stan's enjoying his time. Our little campsite, and it's actually really big, and there's a nice trail behind it. And there's Garrity, third attempt at a fire because the wood was so wet. So while everyone's tanning back in Toronto, we're in sweaters and drinking coffee to stay warm by the fire. It's about 18 degrees. Surprisingly, the sun's coming out finally. But yeah, it's not that warm for being July. Things are looking up. The sun has come out. We're just making some late lunch. Corn, lobster bites, the usual lamb featuring Chef Garrity, and some celebrate salad. Found a nice spot for Stan, since he's not allowed on the main beach. It's 4 o'clock. It's finally sunny. Moment of truth. Oh. Go lie down. I'm slightly hoping he falls, but it will be secure. And here you go. Yes.
So we just were driving by and I spotted a moose, which at first I thought was fake, but then it actually turned out to be a real moose.
And now we're just doing a short hike called Spruce Bog. I think it's only like 1 kilometer or 2 at most. And then we're going to conclude our night with a fire. This is Spruce Bog Trail. It's pretty nice. Open area. Hope we don't see any bears. Nice little bridges. Path. It's only 1.5 kilometers. Sun's still going strong. I just want to see another moose. And the best part to end your day is taking a nice warm shower. We're both taking turns and then we get to go to sleep and it's great. And there you have it, scrambled eggs with green peppers and onions. So it's a beautiful day, happy Canada Day. We're headed to the dog beach so this guy can get some water action in.
And some tanning going on.
And yes, we are planning to tan. It's a beautiful day. The road is clear. hours and Garrity is vacuuming his car. Stan is laying out front, drying off. Luckily we have the vacuum. How's it going? Yeah, overall today's been a great day. We're really thankful for the wonderful weather and excited to celebrate Canada Day in this beautiful park. So this is the line. It goes all the way around for the dumping station. I guess that's what you get for leaving right at checkout in one of the most popular parks in Ontario. So we're gonna be here for another probably 30 minutes.
An hour later, here we are. We're next in line
To finally dump our stuff and be on our way. This is what it takes to have a trailer. Dealing with the black flies, dumping. It's a lot of work. So while Garrity's out there dealing with all of that, I am in the nice cool car in AC with Stan. And then we're gonna head on our way. Looks like it's gonna be a 3.5 hour drive, and I'm sure it's gonna get progressively worse with traffic coming from Muskoka. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully not too long, but yeah, that kind of concludes our travels to Algonquin, and hope you enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe to our channel for many more adventures. We do have a big Europe trip coming up, which we will definitely be recording every single day for about 17 days, so please stay tuned.